Okay, so today we are going to see all the formulas for Unit 4 Physics, that is Electricity and Magnetism. O levels IGCSE में Electricity Magnetism के जितने भी formulas हैं, let's see that. First of all, we have the formula of current. Current is equal to charge over time. इसमें current amperes में measure होता है, charge coulombs में, time seconds में. The second formula that we have is voltage is equal to work done over charge. V is measured in volts, work done in joules, charge in coulombs. The third formula that we have is Ohm's law. Ohm's law क्या कहता है? V is equals to IR. Voltage is in volts, current is in amperes, resistance is in ohms. The fourth formula that we have is the potential divider का formula. R1 over R2 is equals to V1 over V2. Where R1 is the resistance of the first resistor, R2 is the resistance of the second resistor, V1 is the voltage across the first resistor, V2 is the voltage across the second resistor. Now let's look at some formulas for power. Power के तीन formulas हैं हमारे syllabus में. Power is equals to IV, power is equals to I square R, power is equals to V square over R. यहाँ पे I is your current, V is your voltage, R is your resistance. इसी तरह energy के भी तीन formulas हैं. Energy is equals to IVT, energy is equals to I square RT, energy is equals to V square over RT, I being the current, V being the voltage, T being the time, R being the resistance. Now you have some formulas for resistors in series as well. अगर resistor series में लगे हुए हैं, आप किस तरह निकालोगे total resistance R1 plus R2 plus R3. If resistors are connected in parallel, how will you calculate the total resistance? 1 over RT is equals to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. Okay. Now let's look at some transformers के formula. The first formula for transformers that we need to know about is Vp over Vs is equals to Np over Ns. Vp क्या है? Voltage in primary coil. Vs क्या है? Voltage in secondary coil. Np क्या है? Number of turns in the primary coil. Ns क्या है? Number of turns in the secondary coil. The second formula of transformer and the last formula that we need to know about is this Ip over Is is equals to Vs over Vp. Ip is the current in primary coil. I is the current in the secondary coil. Vs is the voltage in the secondary coil. Vp is the voltage in the secondary coil. Simple.